So, I decided to register for a half marathon. So, how did it start? Basically, nung April 11, I have former students, shout out to Paul and RJ, nag-message sa akin to register for a half marathon. And then, ayun, bilang kalad ka rin, nag-register tayo. Prior to this, yung longest run ko was only about 10K. And then, I haven't had any run longer than that. And then, so, kailangan mag-practice. And then, meron pa akong travel ng end of April. So, basically, yung training ko mag-start pa siya at around May, which left me around 6 weeks na lang to prepare for a half marathon. So, what I did was, I started April 30 na considered ko siya as week 0 na mag-run ng 10K and then mag-progress every week. So, I only have 6 weeks to prepare. Week 1, 12K. Week 2, 14K. Week 3, 16K. And week 4, 18K. So, now I am at week 5. So, basically 2 weeks left before the half marathon. And going na lang ako ng mga easy runs para hindi mag-training fatigue. Kasi basically, naramdaman ko grabe yung pagod ko after nung 18 kilometers na run ko. So, yun. We are now at week 5 and then 2 weeks left to go before the Manila Marathon, which will be my first ever half marathon. So, just providing updates and ma-document yung progress ko as well as my journey in joining a half marathon. So, hopefully, patapos natin. Ang goal pala natin is sub 3. And medyo ambitious siya for someone na first time lang mag-half marathon. And then, 6 weeks to prepare. Pero hopefully, ma-attain natin yung sub 3 na half marathon for our first try. Yun lang.